Yes, my people, coming back to you with a short video, very important video. So we put a stoplight further down by the entrance of Ocean View Mall. Right, that's Ocean View Mall. But you right here, so need a stoplight also. Right here, so coming from the craft market end, yeah, to the bypass main road. That is coming from Ocho Rios end. That is up by the Schemeway. Still can take you over Ocean Ridge, Ocean View Mall. This is the road coming. So here, so now it could take you from Pineapple way, from the craft market end. It's coming from the craft market end. Right. So we'll carry it right down where the stoplight is. That's Ocean Ridge. Right. That's my people. Stoplight upon green. This is one up here, so that's people. Love it. Stuff like and those are the team worker and them up there. Yeah. Yeah man, new stoplight right at Ocean. Yeah. IRIE FM the pan spot. I think people are tour at the same time. Yeah. These people are enjoying themselves. Yes,
oh, you people. Know about us. You heard us? You heard it on the radio a while ago? What's your YouTube name?
Yes, my people. We're the broadcaster, Shamara Preston. What can I call your name wrong?
What is that?
Shamara.
Shamara.
Okay, Shamara Preston. This is a famous Shamar.
Famous Shamara Preston, yes.
Yes.
Post of him and her that comes over on
him and her, yes man, I will watch them.
Lollipop, yes.
Be a trouble and get lollipop, you know.
And that's our transformer bus over there on our great engineer.
Oh,
Gregory White.
Yes, brother Gregory.
Yes.
Blessed man. Yeah,
if you look at the mall, we're here doing the opening of the stoplight. We just turned it on. It's the first. The stoplight is working.
Yes.
Because so we're opening the Ocean View Mall.
Okay, officially.
Officially, yes.
Okay. Yes. What is your name?
My name is Simone Brown Keys from the Sales and Marketing Department.
Wow, people. I'm gonna meet her in real life.
In real life. You want
yes,
to get anything advertised on IRIE FM, you can send me a WhatsApp at 876-440-3071. Simone. Or you can call any of the IRIE FM numbers.
Right, exactly. And I have all the IRIE FM numbers. Yes, why? The great Shamar Preston, IRIE FM team. Yes, so they have been the opening of Ocean Mall. So they will be here for a couple of hours more. So the new stoplight has turned on today. Yeah. So they having the opening of Ocean View Mall. Yes, so they officially turn on the light today, you know. Yes, one. Light up and running.